Hello everyone, welcome to a new video on coding candles. Today we're going to talk about the moving average crossover with displacement candles. You can find it right here if you look up this name. So first, after you have chosen your market and your time frame, you have to change the settings. So the displacement threshold is the sensitivity of the displacement candles. A displacement candle is just a big candle. Yeah, that's actually it. A red one is a short one, and a green one is a long one. So if you lower the sensitivity, you will see more candles colored, yeah. But we're gonna hold this one. And the moving average is the average of 30 bars back in this example, and this of 100 bars back. So the 31 will move much faster. You can see the blue one is here, the 30 one, and the red one is the 100 one. I would say 30 100 or 10 50 or 50 200 are good combinations. Um, so how can you use it? You see it's two indicators in one, so you can look for double confirmation, but you can also just go based off one of them. Yeah, we will look at the crossover. So if the blue one, the fast one, goes underneath the red one, you can look for a short position. So if you went short here, you would probably have hit TP if you didn't went too greedy. Yeah, we will look at another crossover like here. This one, you can see the blue one goes above the red one, so you could go long if you see this. You also see there was a green displacement candle, so if you see two confirmations in a close range of each other, you can definitely guess for a long or in the opposite direction a short. Here is another crossover, so you could go short if you want. You see it would have been pretty profitable if you did that. These two are too close to each other, so we won't look at them. Here the blue one goes above the red one, so you could guess for a long position and it would have been pretty profitable again. So yeah, that's how you use it. You can use double confirmation or only one if you want. It's up to you actually. We're gonna look at the current positions to try and guess what the market does. Here you can see the lines are too close, so I won't give a guess because I would probably be wrong. But hence since the displacement candle is a red one, my guess would be the market goes down, but I could be really wrong actually. We're gonna look at 1 hour maybe. You can see you have to change the settings again. What are we guessing? Maybe 1.5. Oh, no, 1.7 maybe. 1.2. Okay. So you see the blue one has gone under the red one. So my prediction here would be that the market goes down maybe for a few days. Um, yeah, also because of the two displacement candles. We're gonna look at the Nasdaq for a while. Yeah, since the blue one has gone under the red one, you could guess for a short, but it happened a long time ago, so I won't be too sure about that. We can also change the displacement threshold. Yeah, you can see this would have been a really good confirmation if you saw this live, but we aren't as lucky. So yeah, red displacement, blue under the red, so that would have been really nice. But yeah, we weren't as lucky. We have to lower the threshold. Oh, lower even more. Okay, this looks good. You see the blue one has already gone above the red one a long time ago, so you could guess for a long, but it happened a long time ago, so it's not as uh, recent as you would like. So as you can see, the ideal combinations are if the crossover happened like not long ago, so in the last 3 bars, I would say. Another nice condition is if the lines are not parallel, like they are uh, not in the same direction, so one horizontal and one pretty vertical. That's actually how you would like it, almost perpendicular. And the last nice condition is if you have a crossover combined with the displacement candle with the same color as the crossover direction, then you could really pull off a guess, in my opinion, because yeah, double confirmation, perpendicular, and recent crossover. Yeah, if you have that combo, you can really try for a guess. So yeah, this one was a little bit longer than normal because it was not easy to explain. If you like this indicator, drop a like on Thomas's Tradingview, and yeah, till next time.